What is up, YouTube? It is tea time here. We are back with another video, and some news came out the other day. I think it was yesterday. Reported on it. Go check out that video. But it was saying at the end of the Flash, we're getting a new Justice League, so forth and so forth, right? Um, well, I didn't include the Black Canary in the Justice League, and she's reportedly been, you know, listed as a member of the new Justice League team. Sorry, guys, I'm really tired right now. But yeah, should be new member of the new Justice League, and yeah, I don't know. My thoughts are that's kind of cool. I mean, obviously we're gonna miss Batman and Superman, but this is way cooler. Not really, but kinda because it's like a new look. We get a new look. I don't like. Don't get me wrong. I'm all about this girl feminism stuff, right? But I don't like how they're replacing Superman with Supergirl. I mean, no, that's cool. Don't get me wrong. That's cool, right? But then you also have Batgirl replacing Batman, and then you also have Wonder Woman, and then you also have Black Canary. And it's like the Justice League is not that at all, right? You also replace Cyborg. So all you guys Aquaman and the Flash, which is yeah, cool, whatever. But that isn't the Justice League. We don't have Batgirl in the Justice League. We don't have Black Canary in the Justice League. We rarely have Supergirl in the Justice League. Give us Green Lantern, the girl one or the guy one. It don't matter to me. The Green Lantern, Martian Manhunter has to be a guy, but they could obviously retcon it. Martian Manhunter, anything, man. This isn't the real Justice League. But all right, guys, leave your guys' thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time.